Your body needs vitamin D for numerous crucial functions, including the development and maintenance of strong bones. Vitamin D helps regulate the amount of calcium and phosphate in the body. These nutrients are needed to keep bones, teeth, and muscles healthy. Vitamin D deficiency is a serious public health issue worldwide. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to bone deformities such as rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. All age groups need fat-soluble vitamin D to maintain healthy bodies. Recent studies have shown that vitamin D may help prevent several diseases, including diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and depression. How much vitamin D do you need? Vitamin D is necessary for calcium absorption and bone health. The recommended daily amount of vitamin D is 400 international units for children up to age 12 months, 600 international units for people ages 1 to 70 years, and 800 international units for people over 70 years. Ways to boost absorption of vitamin D. Spend more time in the sunlight. Sun is one of the best sources of this vitamin. Skin hosts a type of cholesterol, which becomes vitamin D when exposed to UVB radiation from the sun. Sun-derived vitamin D may circulate for twice as long as vitamin D from food or supplements. Eat more fish. Fatty fish and seafood are some of the foods highest in vitamin D. Eat fortified foods. Vitamin D is often added to food items such as milk and breakfast cereals, which increases the intake of this vitamin. Take a supplement. For many people, taking a vitamin D supplement may be the best way to ensure adequate intake. Vitamin D exists in two forms: D2, ergocalciferol, and D3, cholecalciferol. Typically, D2 comes from plants and D3 from animals. Stay stress-free. Your body releases hormones in response to stress that has an impact on your digestive system. Since vitamin D is absorbed in the intestine, the condition of your digestive system has a significant impact on how much of it is absorbed. As a result, you must control your stress levels and maintain a healthy digestive system for better absorption of vitamin D. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please smash the like button and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.